Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ban a customer in Shopify. So let's get started. First thing is you want to find yourself at the Shopify homepage and you want to navigate to the left and click on Add Apps. Once you do that, you want to navigate here where it says Find More Apps in the Shopify App Store. Click on this. Now, once it's loaded, you want to search apps and you want to look for Fraud Filter. Click search and you're going to find this yellow icon right here. You can see that this application is actually developed by Shopify themselves. So click on it, click add up app and install this app onto your Shopify store. So now that you've installed the app, the best way to find it is to navigate back to apps. And here you're going to see that the installed apps here is Fraud Filter. So click on it and it will open up this application. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to choose your filter name. So let's say that we're going to call this bad customer, right? We don't want this customer to buy from us. So we're going to say bad customer. Then for the action, you can choose whether you want to cancel this order right away once these rules have been met, or you just want Shopify to warn you. Let's say that we just want Shopify to warn us when the rules have been met. So now we need to set the rules. Let's say that the email needs to match, and then we say, for example, bad customer@gmail.com, right? So here you would input the customer's email. And once this rule has been met, you just click add rule. Once this rule has been met, then Shopify is going to send you a warning that this customer has placed an order with you. And lastly, you have three options to choose from. You can either restock product inventory, you can send a cancellation email to the customer, and you can completely refund the transaction amount. So I would recommend being careful with these and playing around and seeing what works for you. But overall, this is how you ban a customer in Shopify. Thank you for watching.